This is a step-by-step affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners that you can start wherever you are in the world. Just make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you to subscribe to my channel Emia's World for more videos like this one. So with that said, I'm going to start right away with this tutorial. I want to mention that whenever you start affiliate marketing, the very first step is to find the company that you want to promote, or even a product or a service from a specific brand or company. So we are going to just focus on a particular niche today. You can go for any niche that you like, but I'm going to focus on the finance niche, and I'm going to show you what kind of products you can promote and also where you can find them. So you can even promote different products in the same time, and you can use a link tree for this purpose. So basically you can just get different affiliate links and you can get them in one particular link here with Linktree. So whenever people click on your link tree, they are going to get different affiliate links, so they can go for a particular product that they want to purchase, and of course you're going to earn your own commission. So in order to find different companies that you can promote, you can go over to this platform called impact.com. Here you can find thousands of them, and you can focus on any kind of niche that you want to, but you can even proceed with Amazon Associates. This is over at affiliate-program.amazon.com. You're going to notice that this is the largest affiliate marketing program in the world. Basically, you're going to sign up and you're going to just start recommending or promoting different products with your audience, and then you're going to earn a commission whenever someone purchases something through your affiliate link. Of course, once you create your account, you can go for any kind of product that you want. As I said even before, you can go for the finance niche, and I'm going to show you that as an example today, and of course I'm going to show you how you can promote those products, so stay tuned for that. So first of all, just go over to Amazon and you're going to just search for the finance niche. You can just search for any product that you want. It can be a book, for example. Also it can be some posters. You can just search for finance motivational quotes, like say for example, and you're going to find a lot of posters here with some motivational quotes on them, and it seems that people really do like this kind of posters since they are very motivational, and you can promote them if you want to. So you can go over for some mugs, for example. You can just search in the search bar and you're going to find these cute mugs with some quotes on them, and you can promote them if you want to. So you can go for any product that you want. Just like I said even before, you can find even different product, and you can just get their affiliate links, and you can collect those affiliate links in one link with Linktree. So when you just create your Linktree and you have all of your affiliate links in it, what you can do is to start promoting your products. And I want you to go over to different social media platforms to do that. So you can create an Instagram account, a Pinterest account, and also a TikTok account. So on Instagram you can start posting different reels, videos, also posts and stories. On Pinterest you can create a business account. Once you create your normal account, you can switch it to business account, so you can be able to even post videos and start posting link in the bio, because we are going to put our link tree that contains our affiliate link in the bio. Whenever someone clicks on the link in the bio, they can purchase the product, and of course we're going to earn our commission. So on TikTok, I want to mention that you can even search for some examples. For example, just go over to the search bar and start searching for finance motivational videos. It's going to give you a lot of results, and also the most viral videos. You can even see that people are uploading videos just like these ones with some luxury goods in it, and you can recreate them if you want to. And of course I'm going to show you how to do that. But I want to mention that here on TikTok you need to have like 1,000 followers in order to be able to start posting links in the bio. But of course, in the meantime, you can even use Pinterest and Instagram for this purpose, and you can grow them in the same time and start posting the same content on all of these different social media platforms. So in order to start creating this kind of videos with some motivational quotes in it, which are in the finance niche, you can just take advantage of this platform called Canva. So this is over at canva.com. I want to mention that Canva is free. They do offer a pro plan, but of course you can use the free version with some free features and so on. So in the search bar you're going to search for TikTok videos, and it's going to give you a lot of already made templates. You can either customize these templates however you want, or you can just create one from scratch. Click here on create a blank TikTok video, and it's going to take you over to the editor page. In the left hand side you can just customize them however you want by using different elements, different text styles, background and so on, and you can even upload your own content if you want to. What I want you to do is to go over to the elements section, and you can just search, for example, for cars or even luxury goods and so on, and go over to the video section here. As you can see, it's going to give you a lot of results. You can even select luxury over here, and then just click in any one of these videos. You can add as many as you want. You can just drag them like this in order to fit in all the background, and it's going to look basically like this. By clicking on the add page, you can even add another video, and then just go over to the text section so you can add some motivational quotes. So just go over to Google then and search for finance motivational quotes, and it's going to give you a lot of results. You can just copy any one of them and add them here on your design so it can look like the examples that I showed you here on TikTok. So once you create this design, of course, you can go over to the share button up here, and you can download them for absolutely free on your computer or even any other device that you are going to use Canva. So if you are running out of content and you want more videos like these ones here, you can go over to this platform, which is called Pexels.com. So Pexels is a platform where you can find the best free stock photos, royalty free images and videos, and as you can notice, they look pretty awesome actually and in high quality. So go over to the search bar and just search, for example, for luxury. So you can search for any kind of keyword that comes in your mind. It's going to be related to the niche that your product is in, of course. Go over to the video section, and you're going to see here that they got a lot of results. So you can download them for absolutely free on your device, but you can also use them for free on any other website. So click on the download button here, and it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer just like this. And then go over to Canva, and you can go over to the upload section, and you can upload your own content here. So you can upload as many as you can, and then just start adding some text in it so you can recreate those TikTok videos that are already viral here on TikTok. Then what you can do is to start using some viral sounds, also the right hashtags that you can find and get from these other videos as well. So you're going to hope for the best, since you need to just start growing your TikTok account. Once you reach 1,000 of followers, you can start posting your affiliate links in the bio. So basically just do the same thing, stay consistent, start posting every single day, and get those videos and post them even on Pinterest and Instagram Reels. So basically what you needed to do was to find the product that you want to promote. You can choose any kind of niche that you want. Once you find that product from Amazon, for example, since you're going to be an Amazon associate, you can just get those links and have them in one link through Linktree. Then you're going to start creating some content for social media platforms by using Canva and start posting them on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and so on. And don't forget to put the link in the bio and to mention in the description that people can go over to the link in the bio so they can purchase something and you can earn a commission. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World.